Have you ever wondered what separates a good 3D printer from a truly great one? In a world where creativity knows no bounds, finding the right 3D printer can unlock endless possibilities. Today, we're diving into 5 remarkable 3D printers that stand out for their innovation, reliability, and precision. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey into 3D printing, these machines are designed to take your projects to the next level. 5. Creality K1, the Visionary's Tool. Finally, let's talk about a printer that's built to bring your grandest ideas to life. The Creality K1 is like the Visionary's Tool, a 3D printer that combines strength, precision, and versatility to help you create without limits. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or an engineer, the K1 is designed to meet the demands of your most ambitious projects. Picture yourself working on a project that requires exceptional detail and stability. The K1's robust frame and high-resolution capabilities ensure that every layer is rendered with precision, capturing even the most delicate textures. And with its intuitive touchscreen interface, navigating your printing options is a breeze, making the entire process smooth and enjoyable. But what truly sets the K1 apart is its ability to maintain a quiet, distraction-free environment, thanks to its silent stepper motor drivers. This is a printer that respects your space while delivering professional quality results. 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini, small but mighty. Imagine needing a 3D printer that fits snugly into your workspace without compromising on performance. That's where the Bambu Lab A1 Mini comes, in a compact powerhouse designed for creators who value both space and precision. It's like having a miniature workshop right on your desk. Despite its size, the A1 Mini doesn't cut corners. It delivers high-resolution prints that capture every fine detail, whether you're working on intricate models or functional parts. And with its user-friendly interface, it's as easy to operate as it is to admire. This is a printer that proves big things can come in small packages. What really sets the A1 Mini apart is its quiet operation and auto-bed leveling feature. Imagine being able to focus entirely on your work, without the distraction of noisy machinery. The A1 Mini's thoughtful design allows you to do just that, making it a perfect choice for anyone who needs a reliable, space-saving 3D printer. 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SA, the people's choice. Now, let's take a journey to where affordability meets excellence. The Creality Ender 3v3 SA is like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them, dependable, straightforward, and surprisingly capable. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the world of 3D printing or a veteran looking for a workhorse, the Ender 3v3 SA is designed to deliver. Imagine you're in the middle of a print, and suddenly, the power goes out. No need to panic, the Ender 3v3 SE has your back with its resume printing feature. It's like hitting the pause button on your project and picking up right where you left off, saving you time, filament, and frustration. With its upgraded Photon and Bowden extruder, this printer ensures smooth and consistent prints, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. And the best part? It's quiet enough to use at home without disturbing your peace. The Ender 3v3 SE embodies the spirit of innovation without the hefty price tag. 2. Anycubic Photon Mono M5S, speed meets precision. Now, picture a resin printer that not only keeps up with your fast-paced projects, but also delivers them with jaw-dropping detail. Enter the Anycubic Photon Mono M5S, a marvel in the resin printing world. This printer is like the sports car of 3D printers, boasting speeds 3 times faster than your average machine. Imagine completing a detailed 3.5-inch figure in just about an hour. That's the kind of efficiency that turns ideas into reality in no time. The M5S introduces a revolutionary feature, auto-bed leveling, in a resin printer. For anyone who's wrestled with setting up a resin printer using nothing but an Allen key and a sheet of paper, this is a game changer. It's like having an extra set of skilled hands, ensuring that everything is perfectly level without the guesswork. And let's talk about the 12K resolution. With over 11,500 pixels on the x-axis, the Photon Mono M5S doesn't just print, it sculpts with incredible precision, capturing details as fine as a human hair. This level of detail, combined with a robust and intuitive design, makes it a formidable tool in any creator's arsenal. 1. Sovol SV07, pushing the boundaries of creation. Imagine having a tool that not only meets your expectations, but shatters them. The Sovol SV07 is precisely that, a 3D printer that blends user-friendly features with cutting-edge engineering. Picture this. You're working on a project that requires intricate, large-scale prints, and the SV07 steps up with its massive build volume. It's like having a blank canvas that invites your creativity to run wild. What makes the SV07 truly exceptional is its direct drive extrusion technology. Think of it as the steady hand of a master artist, guiding the filament with unmatched precision. This feature allows for the use of flexible materials, opening up new avenues for experimentation and innovation. But the magic doesn't stop there. Remember the frustration of manually leveling your print bed? The SV07 takes that burden off your shoulders with its auto-leveling bed, ensuring a perfect print every time. Coupled with its quiet operation and a dual Z-axis design that enhances stability, this printer is a quiet powerhouse. And in those moments when life throws an unexpected power outage your way, the SV07's resume printing feature ensures your masterpiece is safe. It's not just a printer, it's your reliable partner in creation.